Today I'll show you how to make a model of weathering, erosion, and deposition using a stream. First, we need to gather some supplies. You'll need a baking tray with some sand, a few small rocks, a marker, and a water bottle. One half of the tray, make a land mass with sand. Make sure it has a downhill slope. The empty part of the tray represents the ocean. Next, use your marker to make a riverbed. Start at the top and empty into the ocean. Next, place the stones along the riverbed. These stones represent boulders. Now, to add your flowing water to your river, use your water bottle at the top and then pour slowly. You can see that as the river flows, some of the sand and rocks are being eroded and deposited where the river meets the ocean. You can investigate to see what happens when you pour the water slower versus faster. Try this yourself.